Good morning, children. Now, activity 2, counting in twos and write the missing numbers. You are counting, first you begin from 0. You are adding 2. So 0, 2. Next you are adding 2. 2 after 2, 2, 3, 4. You get 4. Here is it. You write down missing numbers. This is a write in your both textbook and class work. Or what is your homework? Write in your textbook and post it, amma. Now 4. 4 plus again adding 2. 4 after 5, 6. Here write down 6. Next 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Now again 10 plus 2. 10 after 11, 12. You get 12. Okay. Now 12 plus 2, 14. Next 14 plus 2. 14 after 2. 14, 15, 16. Yeah, write down 16. Now 16 plus 2 is 18. Every time you adding 2 numbers. Means 2. This is a 2's counting. So every number after you adding 2. Okay. Here get 18. 18 again you adding 2. 18, 19, 20. Now 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. Now 24 plus again 2. 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. Now next 26 plus 2, 28. Now next 28 plus 2. 28, 29, 30. You get 30. Okay, amma. Now 30 plus 2, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Again 34 plus 2, 34, 35, 36. You get here 36. Here again adding 2. This is every time, must every time you are adding 2's. Okay, again 36 plus 2. Counting number 36 plus 36 plus 2. 36, 37, 38. You get 38. Should write here 38. Next 38 plus 2, 40 you get. Okay. Now next 40 plus 2, 40, 41, 42. You get 42. Okay. Now next 42 plus 2, 42, 43, 44. 44. Now next 44 plus 2, 46, 46 plus 2, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. Now 50 plus 2, 50 after 2 fingers. Count it. 50, 51, 52. 52 plus 2, 54. Now 54 plus again 2, 54 plus 2, 54, 55, 56. You get 56. Now 56 plus 2, you get 58. Now next again you are adding 58 plus 2, you get 60. 58 after 2, 58, 59, 60. You get 60, amma. Now again 60 plus 2, 62. Again 62 plus 2, 64 you get. Now again you are adding 2. You kept in your mind, every time you are adding 2's. This is a 2's counting. Okay, now again 64 plus 2. 64 after 65, 66. You get 66. Now next 66 plus 2. You get 68. Again 68 plus 2, 70. Now 70 plus 2, 72. Next 72, again you are adding 2. Again you are adding 2. 72, 73, 74. Now next 74 plus 2, you get 76. Now 76 plus again 2. 76 after 2 fingers. 76 after 77, 78. You get 78. Okay. Now 78 plus 8 plus 2, you get 80. Again 80 plus 2, 80 after 81, 82. Next 82 after again 2 fingers, 82, 83, 84. Now next 84, again 84 after you are adding 2. You get 86. Here is there. Don't write that. Again 86 plus 2, 86, 87, 88. You get 88. Now next 88 plus 2 you get 90. Now is there 90? Again 90 plus 2 fingers. 90 after 91, 92. 92. Next 92 plus again 2. 92 after 93, 94. Now next 94 plus 2. 94, 95, 96 is there. 98. Next 100. Now next 100 after 2. 101, 102. 101, 102. Next 102 again 2 fingers. 102 after 2. 103, 104. Now next 104 again 2. 104, 105, 106. Next 106 again 2. 106, 107, 108. Next 108 after again 2. 108 after 109, 109, 110. So 110, sorry, 110. Next to 110 plus 2. 110, 111, 112. Next 112 plus 2. 112, 113, 14. So 114. Next 114, again you adding 2. 115, 116. Next again 116 you adding 2 fingers. 116 after 117, 118. You get up to 118. This is the twos counting. In every time you adding how many amma? How many numbers? 2 numbers. Okay. This is a copy in your classwork first. Next, what is today homework amma? This is your homework. Do in your test book and post it. Please copy it amma. Okay, children. Thank you. Okay, ma. Thank you.